North Star Alarm.
Configure scenes on alarm.com, both in the app and also on the website. So we'll start with the website. Once you're on your website and logged in, you'll go to the left, click on automation. Once you're in automation, you'll go over here where it says scenes. And the default scenes are open and close. So we kind of got two options here. We can either click new scene or we can reconfigure. So off we can reconfigure. So right now this is set up so when we open, and so right now the panel will disarm when we run the open scene. But we can also set this up so that if we wanted to, all our doors would unlock, our thermostat would turn on and run the fan. And we can even have it so our shop floodlight turns off. Once I was done with all those, I'd click save. Save successfully. I then can go over and click this play button and run the open scene. And I could do the same thing with the close. If I wanted to create a new scene, I'd click on new scene. I'd give it a name. Then I could then select the devices the same way I would when I was reconfiguring it. And then I'd click save. And we'll see our new scene right here. So setting up scenes is very similar to the website when you use the phone. When you open your dashboard, usually scenes is one of the first things that pops up. If it's not there, you would scroll down to the bottom, click edit dashboard, and you'd be able to add it with the edit home screen menu. But anyway, if we go into our scenes, we see we have open and close just like the website. We can click open. We can click edit. We can get plus. This is where we add our devices. So any device that I want to perform an action, when I run the scene, I would just select and click next, and I would select the action I want to do. I would click done. So now it's part of this rule. When I'm done with modifying my devices, in the top right, I click this check mark. And now it's saved. If I click run, it'll run the rule.
Inventory room unlocked. Cam's office unlocked.
If I wanted to add a new scene, similar to the website, I'd click this plus in the bottom right, change the icon, its color. I can give it a name. We'll call it test. Click enter. I'd click plus here. This is where I can add my devices. Let's say I wanted to use the floodlight and I want it to turn on when I run this scene. I'd select that. I'd click done. I click this check mark in the top right to save it, and it's added to our scene. So if I click on the scene, I can click run, and it would run this scene. And that's just a brief overview of scenes.